Jai Hind, this is Indresh Rao from Psyche Word IAS, a specialized institution for psychology, and my institutions offer some other courses like GS Foundation, CSAT, Psychology Optional, as it is mentioned, because our institution is psychology specialized. And here we also provide the courses for mains, GS and optional, and we also serve for interview programs. This is our contact number, and our courses are available on Movishala, and my passcode or institutional codes you can say here is mentioned PSYC 5548. So this is basics of my organization and basics about myself. I'm Indresh Rao. So I will take psychology class as optional student for the optional students. So this is the first class of psychology. Before that, I have also introduced why psychology is a good optional, and then in the second class, I have also explained well why and how psychology study. Means how to study psychology. The second class was based on that. And this is definitely third class. So in this class, even I will introduce psychology in my words. So you should must sit with copy and pen and let's start our class. So there is a first thing, introduction of psychology. You can read first, reading करें, and I will speak both Hindi and English. So psychology, first line about psychology I have mentioned, psychology is a son of capitalism. Psychology is son of capitalism. Understand this first word. Capitalism means high paisa, high paisa, high paisa, high paisa. When husband, wife, brother, sister, every member of the family goes to collect money. That is capitalism. Things are going to privatized. That is capitalism. मीन्स आपको हर चीज की एक कीमत पे करनी पड़ेगी, एक वैल्यू पे करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज कैपिटलिज्म. अब those who have studied economics, they have well understanding different type of economy. So there is one economy is capitalism, and capitalism is a basic source of psychology. Capitalism is a basic source of psychology, because when capitalism will grow, the needs and scope of psychology will automatically grow. If you have studied earlier psychology or you want to start psychology, there is clearly mentioned psychology start first in Germany, in Leipzig College. So in the Germany Leipzig College, why psychology start first? Why it is not in India? Why not it into the America? Because capitalism first come in Europe. So psychology will psychology requires first in Europe, later in America. मैं आपसे बातें क्यों कह रहा हूं? रीजन, जैसे जैसे लोग मनी के पीछे भागेंगे, पैसे के पीछे भागेंगे, लोगों में डिप्रेशन आएगा. डिप्रेशन इज अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. एंजाइटी विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम. It is a subject of psychology. पैसे ज्यादा कमाने के लिए ज्यादा वर्क करना पड़ेगा, ज्यादा मोटिवेशन, दैट इज अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. मोटिवेशन इज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. While we will go to collect money, मनी बहुत सारे इमोशंस को किल करता, क्रिएट भी करता. इमोशन इज ए सब्जेक्ट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. एंड इन द यूरोप एंड अमेरिका, ड्यू टू कैपिटलिज्म, every fourth people require psychologist, and that is coming in also India, because in India that things are going to privatized. यहां भी सरकार सारी चीजें बेच रही है, प्राइवेटाइज कर रही है. हर चीज की आपको कीमत भरनी पड़ेगी. ऑटोमेटिकली साइकोलॉजी की डिमांड्स बढ़ जाएगी. सो आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. फर्स्ट, साइकोलॉजी इज अ सन ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म. एज कैपिटलिज्म विल ग्रो, द वर्क एंड स्कोप ऑफ साइकोलॉजी विल ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रो. And there will be some more topics will generate while you will understand psychology is a son of capitalism. हो सकता मेरा दिमाग उधर ना गया हो, बट आप दौड़ाइए और सोचिए, इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स. सेकेंड, आई यूज टू मेंशन वेरी सिंपल वर्ड. साइकोलॉजी इज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. Like a medical science, while you will go to a doctor, doctors treat their patients or ask their patient in clinic come one by one. Why? Because of psychology is a subject of, medical science is a subject of individual. Sorry. Same as psychology is also subject of individual. It means if we want to study the someone depression, anxiety, stress, motivation, emotion, that is a subject of individual. So many of you may have confusion. Sir, फिर हम सोशल साइकोलॉजी क्यों पढ़ते हैं? No, it's application. Applied part of psychology is that social psychology. Even psychology is subject of individual. Psychology individual का subject है. It deals one by one. Second thing. Third, it is subject of contemporary. Again, I will take the example of medical science. इमेजिन करो, आप एक डॉक्टर के पास में गए और बोलते हो सर कल मुझे 104 फॉरेनहाइट फीवर था, बट नाउ आई एम नॉर्मल. डॉक्टर विल डेफिनेटली आस्क क्वेश्चन, देन व्हाई यू कम टू माय क्लिनिक? बिकॉज मेडिसिन प्रेजेंट को देख करके काम करती है. सेम एज साइकोलॉजी. इफ यू गो टू एनी साइकोलॉजिस्ट और साइकेट्रिस्ट और बोलते सर कल मुझे बहुत डिप्रेशन था बट नाउ आई एम ओके, तो देन अगेन सेम क्वेश्चन ही विल आस्क, व्हाई यू आर कमिंग, व्हाई यू कम. सो थर्ड, साइकोलॉजी ऑलवेज डील विथ प्रेजेंट. एंड देयर इज अ ग्रेट फिलोसोफर महावीर स्वामी. उनसे एक बार पूछा गया कि सबसे मुश्किल काम क्या है? वर्तमान में रहना. तो वर्तमान में ह्यूमन माइंड सेटल नहीं होता, सो दैट मेनी डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी एंड मेनी थिंग्स में बी कॉज्ड, में बी क्रिएट्स. बट साइकोलॉजी इज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कंटेम्पररी, वर्तमान का सब्जेक्ट है. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग, psychology is a normative science. Normative science. First of all, here you must understand what is science. Yeah, how many type of science? There are basically two type of science. one is pure science, other is normative science. Normative science is here. So pure science means here pure science means what is. Pure science means what is. It means when we have single reason for any problem. किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का जब एक रीजन होता है या किसी भी इवेंट्स का एक कोई सॉलिड कॉजेज होगा, सो दैट इज प्योर साइंस. एग्जाम्पल ग्रेविटी. न्यूटन के सर पे एप्पल गिरा, उसका एक रीजन था बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटी. वो आपके सर पे भी कोई चीज गिरेगा, उसका भी एक ही रीजन है, बिकॉज ऑफ gravity. So physics is a pure science, and formula of water is same everywhere. ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया के वाटर का फॉर्मूला अलग, अमेरिका के अलग. नो, फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर इज सेम एट एवरीवेयर. सो अगेन देयर इज chemistry is a pure science. Chemistry is a pure science, and biology is a pure science. Chemistry is a pure science, biology is a pure science. So there is pure science. But psychology is not pure science. Psychology is a normative science. Normative science means what ought to be. What ought to be. क्या हो सकता है? It means whenever many reason for the any event, for many reasons for any problems. So that is normative science. Psychology is normative science. Sociology is a normative science. Political science is a normative science. Suppose X party has win the election. There will be not a single reason, many reasons because of normative science. So normative science में many reasons होता है और pure science में एक reason. So just imagine कि किसी person को depression हो गया. There is single reason for depression? No. Many reasons. Anxiety, many reasons. Motivation, many reasons. आप IAS की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, everyone's motivation is behind preparing of UPSC have different. Everyone's emotion for an object will be different. So psychology is a normative science. अब आप सोचो, क्या साइकोलॉजी की एक डेफिनेशन होगी? नो, बिकॉज नॉर्मेटिव साइंस. साइकोलॉजी समझने के एक अप्रोचेस होंगे? नो, there will be not a single approach to understand psychology because of psychology is a normative science. There is various approach, structuralism to multiculturalism, various approach. Structuralism, functionalism, behavioralism, gestaltism, psychoanalysis, humanism, cognitivism, biological approach, existentialism, multiculturalism, around 10 approaches. So various reasons for the studying psychology. So various approaches, and there will be not a single theory in one topic. Example, personality समझने की एक थ्योरी नहीं हो सकती because psychology normative science है. Motivation have not a single theory, many theories, around 10 to 12 theories. Personality around 19 तो मैं क्लास में पढ़ाता हूं. Then around 8 theories in learning. So if somebody asks why there is various measurement, various theories, various definition for a single topic, that is because of normative science. Psychology is a normative science. So I hope here you understand science basic 2. अब आप कहेंगे sir, in the UPSC there is one important questions they ask, that is psychology science or not. इस पे बहुत बार questions हैं, approximate more than 20 to 50 times, 15 to 20 more than that. So हम इसको पढ़ेंगे कि नहीं पढ़ेंगे? पढ़ेंगे. But first we are introducing here. First we are introducing. So these 4 keywords, if it is available in your minds, that will help you to understand the psychology. I will repeat that lines. Psychology is son of capitalism. Psychology is subject of individual. Psychology deals with contemporary. Psychology is a normative science. Now we need to see the next slides. Next slide. In the next slides, even this portion I have been also taught in some other classes, but here I have been mentioned again. But here I will tell you in the context of psychology. So here you will see knowledge. You must understand difference between knowledge and understanding. If you will see in the UPSC, there is 2 paper. Here is written fundamental or foundations, and here is applied portions. So I can say in the first paper, or we can say in the first paper based on knowledge, and in the second paper there is what? Understanding. But if you will see carefully the paper of 2021, this knowledge is not only sufficient for the paper 1. You must need to understanding in the paper 1 also. Very good understanding required. So first of all, understand what is difference between knowledge and understanding. Because कई लोगों ने हो सकता है कि इसके पहले वाले वीडियो ना देखे हों. Knowledge is explicit. While you will read books, magazine, akhbar, so many things, even with teacher also, that will provide knowledge. बाहर से आता है. Knowledge comes by outside. Knowledge comes by outside. That is explicit. Knowledge is explicit. And understanding is implicit. वो अंदर से आता है. That comes from inside. So you must, while you read the books of psychology, that will provide you knowledge. मैं पढ़ाऊंगा, आपको क्या दूंगा? Knowledge. But if you will go to self-study, with self-studies, then that will provide you what? Understanding. Revision करेंगे, that will provide you understanding. किसी भी टॉपिक को बार बार पढ़ेंगे, that will provide you what? Understanding. Next thing, knowledge is related with memory. Suppose आपने न्यूज पढ़ा, so न्यूज पढ़ने से क्या है? आपको मेमोरी बनी. एवरीडे इसलिए आपको न्यूज पढ़ना पड़ता है. मेमोरी विल एक्सपायर. 24 घंटे के बाद न्यूज पेपर पढ़ा वेस्ट, बिकॉज दैट विल एक्सपायर आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. एंड इट कम्स बाय सेंस ऑर्गन, पढ़ना पड़ता है, सुनना पड़ता है. सो नॉलेज बेसिकली बाय आउटसाइड, whereas understanding comes by insights. Understanding is related to our conscious and will never expire, and it is associated with our minds. I used to give the very common example, Three Idiot movie. In a Three Idiots, Ranchod Das, who have well understanding in his subjects, in his work, in his studies. कभी भी उसको बड़ा नहीं लगता था पढ़ना. That was not heavy, that was not boring. So जब आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग करेंगे तो कोई भी सब्जेक्ट बुरा नहीं लगेगा, हैवी नहीं लगेगा, बोरिंग नहीं लगेगा. So it is important for us, so develop understanding. Develop understanding. So रणछोड़ दास की खास बात क्या थी? वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग करता था, रैगिंग में बच गया. फर्स्ट डे जब वो आया कॉलेज में, रैगिंग हुई, वो अपने नॉलेज से नहीं बचा, अंडरस्टैंडिंग से बचा. जिस दिन वो जाता है कॉलेज, उस दिन एक बच्चे और एक मां की जिंदगी बचा के जाता है. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बिकॉज ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So understanding is more important and will never expire. Imagine just आप psychology ऑप्शनल की तैयारी करें, then आपने रट लिया, that may not comes in exam. How you will write mains? So in that case, what you can do? You must develop your understanding. You must develop your understanding. तो आपको अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करनी पड़ेगी और अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग का ही यूज करके आप दोनों पेपर लिख सकते हैं. एंड इन साइकोलॉजी, सपोज आई हैव स्पोकन 4 लैंग्वेज, दैट इज नॉट रिटन इन बुक्स, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और मेरी अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. इवन आई स्टडीड सम नोट्स इवन इन माई क्लास ऑल्सो. मेरी क्लास में पूरी साइकोलॉजी के फॉर्मूले भर पड़े हुए. साइकोलॉजी में बहुत सारे मैंने फॉर्मूले बनाए. आई यूज टू टीच इन दैट क्लास. यू कैन सी इन द आफ्टर दिस क्लास, इस क्लास के बाद वाली क्लास में जो कीवर्ड्स की क्लास होगी. सो इन दैट क्लास देयर आई हैव मेंशन लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलास, लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलास. So I hope here you may be benefited, you might be benefited by these slides. Knowledge and understanding both are important for the preparing of UPSC, and you must have clarity between what is knowledge in the UPSC and what is understanding in UPSC. So after this, now here I have defined psychology. अभी psychology की first words, first हम लोग define करेंगे. So here is a various definition I have written on the screen. And do not mug, do not do rote learning all these definitions. क्योंकि ये definition रट भी लोगे, cost benefit कुछ भी निकल के नहीं आएगा और फिर आपको कोई benefit नहीं होगा. So what you can do? What you can do? You should develop understanding by using this definition. मैं आपको भी दिखा रहा हूं कैसे किसी भी टॉपिक से किसी भी नॉलेज को हम अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. लाइक हियर इज रिटन द वेरियस डेफिनेशन एंड दोज हु हैज डिफाइंड दिस देयर नेम इज आल्सो मेंशन्ड. लाइक साइकोलॉजी इज अ साइंस ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल बिहेवियर. सो आई विल अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड्स. these words. Psychology is science of human and animal behavior, and it includes the applications of this science to human problem. Morgan said well. Then there is the other psychologist, name is Feldman. The scientific study of behavior and mental process. Travis said, scientific study of behavior and mental process and how they are affected by an organism's physical states, mental states, and external environments. Travis and Wardness. Travis said. Next is psychology is all about the human behaviors about mental process. Das said. Das said this is psychology. So if you see carefully, all those words which I have been underlined, इन वर्ड्स को अपने माइंड्स में फिक्स करें. Instead of these definition, I have also collected some other definition from several sources. So you can see that also. Like here you will see the science of behavior, means psychology is science of behavior and mental process. It is well spoken by Lahaye. Then science, science of behavior and cognitive process, Beren said. Scientific study of behavior and mental process, said by Nairne in 2003. Here is other psychologist, a science in which behavior and other evidence is used to understand the mental process. So, next definition you can see. The scientific study of behavior and mental process. Cicerelli says. Then science that study the human behaviors and mental process. So around 7 to 8 definition, while we read by that, we have underlined some words. That words are common. आप स्टैटिस्टिक्स में पढ़ते होंगे. दैट इज मूड. तो इसका मूड निकालो और मूड की भाषा में आप बताइए सबसे तो मूड क्या बन रहा. मूड कैन बी जनरलाइज्ड. बीइंग कैन बी जनरलाइज्ड. So by all these definition we reach to the conclusion that here psychology is study of what? Mental process, behavior and experience. What is psychology? Psychology is study of mental process, behavior and experience. And I have also fixed up pictures. Experience, mental process and behaviors. So just imagine mental process कब का, किसका, behavior किसका, experience किसका, mental process, behavior, experience किसका, individual का, और कब का, contemporary, वर्तमान का. While we studies the mental process, behavior and experience of any individuals in contemporary way. So that is psychology. And if you want to challenge to me, you can see NCERT page number 2. NCERT page number 2, there is clearly mentioned. Page 2. And these words are well explained: mental process, behavior and experience. So I hope मैं जो बताना चाहता था वो समझ में आ गया होगा कि साइकोलॉजी को समझना है हमें. if you want to understand psychology, what you can do? Read them, and by the reading is to develop your understanding. Like I have selected the various definition, or by that I used to develop understanding. And if I will take here two words, first word is mental process and second word is behavior. So if somebody asks what is mental process, means those processes which are not visible directly. Those which are not visible directly. Not visible. जो चीज सीधा दिखाई ना पड़े, means what is the level of your attention in class? I don't know. What is your learning? मुझे नहीं मालूम. What you are thinking? I don't know. What I am thinking? What is my perception, motivation, emotion, intelligence? All these things you cannot directly understand. किसी का नहीं समझा जा सकता. You cannot understand directly the mental process. So mental process can understand in our where? In our these mental process you can understand into where? In our behavior. And here is well mentioned, behavior is equal to B is equal to H into E. Means our behavior is just product of what? Heredity and environment. सर कुछ भी होगा, हम कुछ भी हैं, आप भी कुछ भी हैं. So there is a two things, heredity and environment. That heredity we receive from our parents, and environments is a big concept. While you want to understand environments, you need to study Born, Friend, Brenner. Born, Friend, Brenner, right? Their concepts. Brainers, go to study. We will study also. So, I hope there is no required of no requirement for doing rote learning. No need to rote learning. What you can do? Just understand the things. So, psychology's meaning is clear. What is psychology? Psychology is study of mental process, behavior and experience. And somebody asks, what is mental process? Are those processes which are not visible directly. बोले कौन से process जो directly नहीं दिखाई पड़ते? Sir, memory, thinking, problem solving, all these not visible indirectly. So how they are visible? Sir, these are visible into our behaviors. किसी के behavior को देख करके उसकी psychology समझना बहुत simple. सपोज आप रोज किसी के यहां किसी वेजिटेबल सेलर से वेजिटेबल लो, ड्यू टू देयर रिपीटेडनेस ही कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर साइकोलॉजी. इवन वन डे माय सन सेड, फादर व्हाई यू आर सैड? अब दुखी क्यों? सो दैट स्मॉल चाइल्ड कैन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड साइकोलॉजी. Very interesting subject. Very interesting. I hope got the definition. Now, by using that two words, what words? That mental process and behavior. Mental process and behavior. We can develop several branches. Here I have written the branch of psychology. By the using formula, we will develop several branches of psychology. Like here is women's